Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying very well. So my dear LKG children, today again I am here to teach you the left alphabets of small cursive ABCD. We have completed 22 alphabets of small cursive, and now today in this video I am going to teach you the last 4 one. They are small cursive R, small cursive Z, small cursive K and small cursive F. Yes children, we have taken a pattern to easy to tough. Yes, we have started from the easiest alphabet and now we have reached up to the level of tough alphabets. Yes, so please concentrate here, be ready with your book and pencil or your slate and slate pen and just concentrate and write with me. Okay, so we'll start writing small cursive R. How to write small cursive R? So for that, R starts from the second blue line. You have to start a slant line from the second blue line and take it to the up blue line, then turn, make a curve, then again make a small curve. Okay, this is small cursive R. Again, write properly children, write with me. Slant line, go inside, make a curve and make another curve. R covers only 2 blue lines. This is small cursive R. Children, you are supposed to write one full page of each alphabet. I will write only the one line and you have to write one full page of each alphabet that I am going to teach you. This is small cursive R. It covers only 2 blue lines. Okay, so this way you practice. Now the next is small cursive Z. How to write that? Look here children. It starts from the second blue line, touch the up blue line, curve, go down, touch the red line and turn. Okay. Small cursive Z. Yes children. So write with me. The Z covers 3 lines, 2 blue lines and it touches to the down red line, last red line of this 4 lines. Okay, so small cursive R and small cursive Z. Now the next is small cursive K. K for kite, K for king, K for kangaroo. So start writing K. Okay. This is small cursive K. Yes, again it starts from the second blue line, it touch the up red line, come down, touch the blue line, go up on the same line, make a curve and move out this way. This is small cursive K. Again it covers 3 lines children, 2 blue line and it touches to the up red line. This is small cursive K. And now we are going to learn the last and the very tough alphabet of small cursive, that is F. F for fan and F for fish. It covers all the 4 lines children. So Look here and concentrate here how to write that. Again starts from the second blue line, go down and touch the up red line and take a turn and do this way. Okay, this is small cursive F. Yes children, be careful because you have to write, you have to cover all the 4 lines while writing F. This is small cursive F. Okay, so this is small cursive R, small cursive Z, small cursive K and F. Children, please practice these 4 alphabets daily in your notebook at your home. Thank you very much.